Before we begin, imagine pulling up to a 5-star hotel in a grand touring coupe that turns every head before the engine even starts. That's exactly the kind of presence the 2026 Ferrari Roma delivers. It blends timeless Italian elegance with cutting-edge engineering, creating a car that feels just as comfortable cruising through the city as it does dominating a winding mountain road. If you've ever wondered what happens when luxury meets breathtaking performance, stay with us because this Ferrari might just redefine everything you expect from a modern Grand Tourer. The first thing you'll notice is its stunning design. Ferrari has preserved the Roma's clean and sophisticated silhouette while introducing subtle refinements that make the 2026 version look even sharper. The front fascia appears more aggressive with redesigned LED headlights and a cleaner grille that enhances both style and aerodynamics. Every curve has been carefully sculpted to reduce drag while maintaining the graceful proportions that made the Roma an instant icon. From every angle, it looks like a masterpiece in motion. Even while standing still, walking around the car, you'll appreciate the flowing body lines, muscular rear haunches, and elegant fastback roofline, the flush door handles, sculpted side panels, and beautifully designed alloy wheels create a seamless appearance that feels modern without losing Ferrari's classic identity. Around the back, updated UD taillights and a redesigned rear diffuser give the Roma an even more premium and sporty character. It isn't loud or exaggerated, it simply radiates confidence. Open the door, and you're welcomed into one of Ferrari's most luxurious cabins ever. The interior combines premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum with incredible craftsmanship. Every surface feels refined, while the cockpit wraps naturally around the driver. The redesigned digital instrument cluster delivers crisp graphics, and the large central touchscreen makes controlling navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings easier than ever. Comfort has clearly been a priority. The seats offer excellent support for spirited driving while remaining comfortable during long-distance journeys. Heated and ventilated seating options, customizable ambient lighting, and a premium audio system create an atmosphere that rivals some of the world's finest luxury sedans. Ferrari has also improved connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and advanced voice controls, ensuring the Roma feels every bit as modern as it looks. Of course, no Ferrari is complete without an incredible engine. Under the hood sits a powerful turbocharged V8 that produces exhilarating performance. Power delivery is instant, smooth, and incredibly responsive. Whether you're accelerating onto the highway or attacking a series of corners, the Roma responds with absolute precision. The rapid shifting, dual-clutch transmission changes gears almost instantly, keeping the engine in its sweet spot at all times. The driving experience is equally impressive. Ferrari's advanced suspension system balances comfort with athletic handling, making the Roma surprisingly easy to drive every day. Steering remains incredibly precise, while improved traction and stability systems inspire confidence in almost every driving condition. Despite its remarkable performance, the Roma remains refined enough for relaxed highway cruising, proving that luxury and excitement can truly coexist. Safety and driver assistance have also received meaningful upgrades. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system help make every journey safer and more convenient without taking away the thrill of driving. As for pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is expected to remain firmly in the premium luxury sports car segment, with buyers paying for exclusivity, craftsmanship, and Ferrari's legendary heritage. For those seeking an elegant Grand Tourer that offers breathtaking performance, world-class luxury, and unmistakable Italian style, the Roma continues to stand among the very best. So, what do you think about the 2026 Ferrari Roma? Is this the perfect blend of luxury and performance, or would you choose another exotic Grand Tourer? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.